Pull your knee up. 1, 2, keep going. 3, a little bit more. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good.
And this afternoon we are here with Richard. Richard is about to start his very first treatment with Dr. Davis. Richard, why are you looking for Dr. Davis to help you out?
I'm a chicken and I don't like the sound of a knee replacement.
Nobody
so
does.
I can avoid that. That's what I'm here for.
There's a lot of downtime with that. And have you seen other doctors?
Yeah, I've gone to 2 different orthopedic surgical groups, and they've both recommended a new knee.
Did they recommend anything else that you did go and do?
Not too much. They recommended a little therapy, but mostly they just wanted me to come in and have my knee replaced.
Oh, okay. Well, we want to avoid that. So let's take a look at where we're starting with you today.
Yeah. A little over a year ago, between my sore knee and the back of my heel right here, it got painful to the point where I really couldn't do my normal walking. So I've laid off of it for a year now.
Oof.
And I've just started walking again, and I'm up to about 3 miles a day.
About 3 miles. And you used to do how much?
5.
About 5 miles. And I heard a little something about racquetball.
I do like to play racquetball, and if my knee felt a little unstable to the point in racquetball side to side a lot, but I would like to play again if the knee became more stable.
Right, and that side-to-side movement is what causes you your discomfort, and that's why you came here, correct?
I'm just worried side to side that if it twisted just right, it would.
You're worried you're going to get injured.
Yes.
Okay.
Might
So maybe what you want to get out of this, is it more strength and flexibility?
Yeah, and I'd like to get it to the point where I don't have to worry if I go to pivot on my left foot.
Okay.
My
Okay.
right foot, not a problem, but my left foot, I'm just very careful about.
You baby it a little bit.
I do.
Okay, and then you explained to me your pain level today was about where?
About a 3.
About a 3, which is on a low side.
Yeah.
And what would you say would make a significant difference in order for you to feel that you're going to continue treatments here with Dr. Davis?
Well,
From
I'm
a
pretty
3.
well committed to working with Dr. Davis.
Oh, okay. You've already. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna get started and see how you're feeling, and then Becky's gonna do your after video.
Pull your knee up. 1, 2, keep going. 3, a little bit more. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, deep breath and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep pulling. 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay. All right.
Feel any different?
Feels looser.
Somebody said the other day they feel like they're walking on a cloud. All right, we're back with Richard. Richard's finished his first treatment with Dr. Davis. So Richard, can you stand up for me? All right, I'm going to have you take 2 steps forward. All right, feet shoulder length apart. Arms out in front. How low can you go? And that's low. Holy smokes. Jeez. All right, now we're going to go up and down the stairs. All right, and back up. All right, so Richard, what changes have you noticed?
Feel looser, everything's stretched out.
Right, you don't feel like everything's all compressed and,
Right.
and tight anymore, so you've loosened up a little bit.
Yeah.
Loosen up, Richard, loosen
Good.
up.
I'm loosened.
All right, you were 3 when you started off with a discomfort level of a 3. What do you think it is now?
I don't feel any discomfort right now.
All right, and we haven't even done therapies yet.
That's right.
Wait till we just start some therapies. So are you happy with today's results?
Yes, I am.
All right.